Can you crack this code? Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Math. Today we are solving 3 divided by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Some students may think that this question will be easy if we group it. That is, this 3 divided by 3 will get 1. And then we put this division here, and also we divide this one. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. And then 1 divided by 1 will be equal to 1. But this answer is not correct, because we have the same symbol here. That means they all have equal priority. Since they have equal priority, we go from left to right. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. And then we have divide by 3, divide by this 3. Now 1 divided by 3 will give us 1 over 3. Divide by 3. Now using the KCF rule, the K here stands for keep. This K here stands for keep. So we are keeping this first fraction. We write it again, 1 over 3. C here stands for change. We are changing this division to multiplication. And F here stands for flip. We are flipping this 3, which is written as 1 over 3. So this 1 will go up, that is invert, and then 3 will come down. So we have 1 over 3. Now 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and over 3 times 3 will give us 9. So this is the final answer. Kindly subscribe to this channel.